Hi COVID cookers and finicky Fioners. I am back at you with another idea for COVID cooking. If you're like me and you love lemons, limes, and your citrus fruits, you're probably out of them. Or you order so many, or you have a fruit tree and you've got so many you don't know what to do with them. Well, because I had so many last year that friends had given me so that I would pickle them, see the other pickling video for preserving your lemons. That is really helpful, especially if you're making savory dishes. You can also make lemonade with pickled lemons, believe it or not, even though they're salty. I have an idea for you, a way to save your lemons, even if you got too many from the store and you're hoarding, or if you got some in your yard. Please save them. One of the things most people don't think about, the majority of the vitamin C from your lemons and limes is in the skin. Now, for your grapefruit and oranges, that's a little trickier. You want to eat less of that because there is an oil in there that's supposed to be very incendiary oil. So it's not advisable to eat too much of the grapefruit orange oils. But if you have lemons and limes in abundance, these are from my lemon tree. My husband took them off a little early, so they're really supposed to be a little bit more yellow. What you do is you make sure you wash them. Organic is ideal if you can get it. You want it, if they're from the store and you don't know, you may want to wash them with warmer water to get some of that wax off before you do this. If you have a juicer, cut it into small pieces, into halves, and just run it through your juicer, the entire thing, seeds included. You make lemon juice out of them. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put it in, this is from my baby food. These are the old baby food, but you're going to make ice cubes. If you have an ice cube tray, these are nice. These are the ball silicone ice cube trays, and you can make ice cubes out of them. And these are my lemons from last year. And no, do I like the fact that I have a Ziploc bag right now? I don't love it. I don't love any of the plastic or trash that I'm using at the moment. Normally I have these silicone bags. This is a silicone bag by Stasher. I love these. Do not, I repeat, do not get the ones that use this. These have driven me crazy trying to get these on. If you see a silicone bag with these, I highly recommend you avoid them. The other thing you can do, something that you run out of because it's just seasonal, is jalapeño or serrano chilies. So you can grind these up with some lime and some salt, a little bit of water, lime juice, and you can make, this doesn't look so great because it's been sitting in the freezer. You can make these, and these are great also on a margarita. You want to try a vegan michelada with kombucha? They're so good. I tried it at Gracias Madre, and then I was inspired to make these. Mine aren't as good as theirs, not even close, but you can drop this into your kombucha and Google recipes, or maybe I'll post one below for a vegan michelada that uses jalapeno and lime juice. It's so good. Start thinking about things you're getting in bulk, grinding them up in your food processor, your vitamix, anything, and freezing them. And if you can avoid it, maybe try buying, because our planet desperately needs us to do better. Then get some of those silicone bags, which I have in abundance right now, but I'm using them a lot for other things. So I hope this finds your family safe, well, happy. I want to send everybody a big hug and not a virtual one. Take care. Be safe.